Hi guys! So this is the part 2 of our vlog. So napapakita na lang niya sa inyo. Ito po yung Beanie stickers and then and this is the notebook, paper, star, yo-yo, and gunting. And ito yung crayon, eraser, ruler. Ay, ito yung crayon pala. Ito yung mga pangkulay. Beanie, lomo card, and coloring book. Tatlong coloring book, and then isang tracing word, tapos cinnamon, magnetic cinnamon din guys. Ayun guys, and now mag-ano na kayo kasi pag meron ang nag-comment, like, subscribe, and then nag-share nitong video na to, mabibigyan kayo ng i-comment nyo na lang yung gusto niya.